What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to create this awesome Facebook banner in Photoshop in just a few clicks. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. You can grab this template from the Envato Elements page linked in the video description. By signing up for Envato Elements, you get access to this template and thousands of additional add-ons, plugins and templates for Photoshop and other creative apps. The download process is quick and easy. Once downloaded, you'll find the file in your Downloads folder, usually compressed. On a Windows PC, right-click the zip file and choose to extract it in your Downloads folder. To unzip files on your Mac, simply double-click the file. When this is done, launch Photoshop and drag and drop one of the Facebook banner files into Photoshop to open the project. Each Facebook banner file has different properties, so choose the one you like most. The general process of editing the content of these templates is relatively simple and straightforward. Once the Facebook banner has been opened in Photoshop, click on the arrow button next to Images and it will expand, showcasing two new image layers. Double-click the first image and a new tab will open up. Here, drag and drop your desired image onto the workspace canvas. If you want to further fine-tune your chosen image, double-click on its image layer thumbnail and another window will open up where you can freely customize the chosen image to your liking. Once done, use the Ctrl and S shortcut on Windows or Command and S on Mac to save your changes on this layer. You will now see the changes in effect back on the Facebook banner image tab. If any default template layer interferes with your selected image, just unhide the I button next to that layer and save your changes. You can also add a background behind the chosen image. Drag and drop your desired background image onto the workspace canvas and make sure the background layer is below the main image layer. Feel free to resize it as per your preference. Like before, if you want to further fine-tune the background, just double-click the image layer thumbnail and a new window will open up. Here, you can freely customize your background. Simply double-click on an empty space next to the selected layer to open its layer style window and go through the various options to tweak the background. When done, click OK and use the Ctrl and S shortcut to apply your changes to the main Facebook banner project file. Your final image will show up in the Facebook banner image tab. Now, to change the text and other details, double-click the desired layer thumbnail and proceed to implement your changes. For instance, if you want to change the main text, expand the Details group and then expand the Title group. Here, double-click the thumbnail icon and now you can change the heading text to whatever you like. In case you get the missing font warning pop-up, there's no need to worry. When you downloaded the template, you also received a PDF file with it. Open it, and here you will see a link to the original font used in the template. You can either use this or choose any of your pre-existing fonts in your Photoshop font library. And just like that, you can continue experimenting with other elements in this Facebook banner template. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.